RAAF capability, Army, Navy and Air Force, you see the interaction of the capabilities from a simulated attack on insurgents, a simulated disgorging of ground troops, simulated aerial attacks, helicopter strafing. The Navy helicopter plays a role, the P-8 Poseidon maritime out looking for submarines, and the Romeo Navy helicopter with its sonar, all of that and a whole lot more in the demonstration coming up of 1 hour. But these aircraft have got to get airborne first, and we'll be watching a number of those takeoffs over the course of the next few minutes.
And arriving into this maritime battle now is the P-8 Poseidon, the Boeing 737 derived P-3C replacement. Run the fuel from the massive storage tanks inside the KC-30. Normally refueling takes place at 27,000 feet, but today our pilots are flying at an amazingly low 1,500 feet, so we can get a good look up and get a nice good photo. This height is only ever used in emergencies or in specific tactical situations. So the KC-30, the pair of Australian F-18s attached on the refuel, running in from the south.
This is something really special to see. You won't see this every day. It's a once in a lifetime. So get your cameras out and get a photo.
We use the term force multiplier. You'll do that in the modern battlefield, and that really is what the KC-30.
And the Air Bandits, the three-ship formation with pyrotechnics, the detonations that will really put a wonderful backdrop to the Air Bandits display. The Yucca aircraft, the Yak aircraft with
Legacy 600.
Tourism Victoria. I hope you're enjoying the show so far. We've got a lot to unfold before you leave home tonight. Geelong City Council welcome you to Avalon for this, the 2019 event, as does the State Government of Victoria and your Royal Australian Air Force, making up our four-way principal partners of Airshow 2019.
Defence knows technology encroaches on nearly every aspect of the battlefield. Every soldier, vehicle